So, meron tayong mga i-unbox dito.
Oo naman.
Ayan, so alcohol muna.
Ako din.
Ayan. So, ang una namin bubuksan ay ito, bubuksan ko, guys. Ayan,
Yes.
ito naman sa kanya.
Di ba kami siya nagawa? Was we just made them from the other video.
Tapos nag-switch pala kami. Bago
Ah,
namin buksan, i-follow nyo muna kami.
Follow mo na kami. Follow us, Paula, and me is Bella.
Tatag namin pangalan namin saan. Pangalan ko pala. Tatag namin.
His name is Aston Paula, but mine is Isabella. Let's see.
Si Sarweo pala itong sa akin.
Oh, mine is pizza on it. Oh wait, there's more.
Wala na. Ano kaya meron?
So close.
I got school. Ano pala ito?
Oh, I got the waffle and some salad. It makes you healthy. This is me what I made from helping Paula to make.
Tapos, ito na ang tao. Sino marang? Kit, diba?
Sa akin ay iba. Mas I don't know the name. We gonna just comment on the name. What is it gonna name?
Comment yan lang kung ano magandang pangalan sa kanya.
Mm.
Vote kayo kung tingin niyo yung magandang gawa. Ito kasing gawa na to, yung binuksan ng kaibigan ko, sa akin yan. Tapos ito sa kanya. So, vote kayo kung team ako or team siya.
Okay, so you have to comment the both name, Cinnamon Rolls, and the someone. So comment on the video.
Okay, next naman, nagtitignan ko. Ito naman tignan niyo.
Oh, it's a notebook. What?
My melody.
I got Kuromi.
I got my melody.
Oh, there's so many pages.
Hindi.
This is actually, we made this from my art paper. So we made them.
And next naman, ito. MacBook.
MacBook. So this is actually a computer. I had a button over here and Bestie has
None.
I forgot to put on it, but I'm gonna put it.
Nothing else.
You forgot this one. This is the open one.
Wait lang.
So while you're waiting, just wait for a second. She's gonna get something. Oh, wait.
Dali, lagyan mo. Lagyan mo ng bilog. Tapos lagyan mo ng ano, on. Toy. Tapos, lagay sa'yo to o sa akin.
Sa'yo yan?
Sa'yo. Wala ka pang ano, wala ka pang...
Oh. Sorry, just wait for a minute. Okay.
Alam mo kung ano gusto ko sa Pasko? Siyempre, ikaw. Ay,
Ano naman? Meron kami yung blank. And I have
Card
my...
Isabella.
It's my card. I made it by myself.
Ano may
when
clue?
I-
Duwan mo ako.
It's over here. We need a ballpen. I forgot to put the name on it.
Pangalan ko lang. Card Paula. Ito pala yung mga bunok na nakuha namin.
So we just open
Ito yung mga
everything.
Ito yung isa. Ito naman. Ito. Yan.
That is my bestie.
Ito.
Oh.
Tapos ito. Tapos ito. Tapos ito.
Yes.
Tapos ito.
Yeah. We got everything.
All set. All set, bingo get. All set, bingo get.
Also bingo get.
Kunin lang ako guys.
Kunin lang siya.
Tapos ano yung ano ko?
The C
Card ko.
named. The C named code 6. and K for Kurumi, and the other K is Hello Kitty. I forgot to put the edge on it.
Hello.
My bestie got my melody, but it's actually pink. Mine is Kurumi, but it's purple and
May
pink.
color, meron kang color purple, pink.
Actually, I don't have any pinks, bestie. Can't you look my coloring pencils? I had coloring pencils. My mom says no. I use that for my assignment. Wait for me, guys.
Ito ba?
Nandito na kami. Coloring pencils ko.
Ay, Lola pa.
Hi, Mama.
Ikaw, Pao. Kain ka na muna din. Ulam namin. Adwang kain.
Did you like this?
Nakailan mo.
Mama, kain siya ito.
Kumakain ka niyan, Pao?
Opo.
Ha?
Opo.
Di ba hanggang Sunday, kaya kain mo yun, diba?
Ha?
Kakain mo yan hanggang sa Cavite?
Ako? Oh.
Yung sa Cavite, mas ang lakas ng hangin.
Pinalayan ka na guys. Ako ko lang yung pipili. May color purple.
Walang patol. Black na lang ako.
So blue na lang.
Okay guys, that we have the rest about it. But later for a video, just comment what the name of the two characters, cinnamon rolls and a person. You have to name both of them. Follow our comment. It's named Isabella and then Aston Paula. Because we did a perfect one. But we need to rest. You're so good. This one is so good.
Sana blue ko.
Lola ko.
Sino?
Bye-bye, guys.
Wait! Wait!
Bye.
Ito pala yung sa akin guys. Ito din pa. Ito naman yung sa akin.
That's mine. I love Kurumi.